Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix when your Wi-Fi buds from JBL that they are not connecting or even not charging, and what is the way how you can fix that. So what you can try to do first is a factory reset, and let me down below in the comments if it's going to actually work out for you. So to factory reset your JBL Wi-Fi buds, what you want to do is you want to press 3 times on the left earbud, and then you just want to on the third time hold the earbud. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, and on the third you're just gonna hold, and you will see that it's going to be automatically disconnected from my phone, and that means that the earbuds are going to reset. So it has been removed from my phone. I'm going to put it back to the case to finish the factory reset process, and possibly this thing is going to work out for you for your JBL Wi-Fi buds. Start the process of factory reset, and then you can charge it and it's going to work out, and you can pair it with your phone. So Wave Buds are also Wi-Fi buds, is the same thing. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.